A fresh aloe vera leaf and peel its skin. Make sure that the thorns are all removed. After peeling off from one side, wash the leaf properly. Then pour few drops of coconut oil on it and start rubbing it onto your scalp. Gently massage your scalp with the leaf. Massage it for about 10 minutes and then leave it on for next 20 minutes. After this, wash off your hair with a mild shampoo. You can use this remedy twice in a week. If you don't want to use aloe vera leaf directly like that, you can extract the gel and add few drops of coconut oil or olive oil. And apply this concoction on your scalp with help of a clean cotton ball. Massage the mixture on your scalp and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then wash off your hair with a mild shampoo. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf and wash it thoroughly. Cut the leaf into small cubes. Take about 1/2 bowl of melted coconut oil and add aloe vera cubes to it. Warm the oil by placing it in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Stir the oil using a wooden spoon. Let the oil take up all the goodness and nutrients of aloe vera. Aloe vera repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Let it cool down for some time. Strain the oil and it is ready to use. Apply this oil on your scalp. Massage it gently in a circular motion. Let it sit for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Wash off with a mild shampoo. You can also leave this oil overnight and shampoo your hair the next morning. Aloe vera may help activate new hair growth by increasing the blood circulation to the scalp and delivering several important vitamins and nutrients. Coconut oil and aloe vera makes an excellent conditioning combination which helps seal moisture to your hair shafts. This oil will contribute to maintaining your hair so you won't have to get trims as often, letting you retain your hair's length. Aloe vera softens and conditions the hair. Regular use helps restore shine. It also helps curb hair fall and control hair shedding, ensuring that your hair remains thick and voluminous. It has an anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe your scalp of irritation and aggravation. Aloe vera's high content of protein, vitamins and minerals help it nourish your follicles and hair efficiently. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching the video.